National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Windham County, Collin County, Hartford County, southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Southwick to near northwest Irwinton to Woodbury Center, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Southington, Westfield, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.